Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with some more Easter crafts that I have been creating. This round is going to be focused on treat boxes. I used several different dies, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and share with you the dies that I used first, and then I'll show you what I have created with those dies. So I'm just going to slide this to the side and share with you all of the dies. I used this die right here, which creates a really cute treat box. I used this little Caddy treat box as well. Creates kind of like a crate. I used this Easter egg die and this little Easter egg grass. I used this milk carton die. Creates a mini milk carton. I used this set of nesting flowers, and I used this little flower right here. And I used this bunny rabbit and I think one of these leaves out of this nesting set. I used this scalloped stitched circle die, and I think I used one of these heart nesting dies. I used this stitched scallop lace nesting set. I used, I believe, this tiny bow set right here. Looks like that. It has the little tiny holes in it. And I also used this bow die right here, which is my creative time. I used this pinwheel set, which is an Alina craft die. And then I used the cat scrappiness bunny dies, which I've shared with you. I also used this treat box die, and this treat box die is actually stitched all the way around, and this is a my creative time treat box die. Super pretty. I used this pillow box die right here. It creates a mini pillow box, and I'll share with you what that looks like in just a second. I did use this nested tag set, which I recently picked up from Tuesday Morning. It's called the fold over tags. And then I did play with the eyelet box that I also picked up from Tuesday Morning. All right, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and start with these super cute mini egg, or not egg, mini milk carton creations. They're treat, I can't talk, you guys, they're treat bags. So this is the first one, and I absolutely love the way this came out. I'm just gonna zoom out just a tad. All right, so at the top, I used this little cute clip. I did pick these up at Michael's, and they were in the clearance section, so I didn't really pay too much. They came in like in a clear plastic bottle. So I used that for my topper to close the box up, and I did layer the window with some deco paper. That paper I picked up from Tuesday Morning. I realized in my video I said it was American Crafts, but it was actually Authentique paper. But if you run across that paper pad at Tuesday Morning, that's where I found it. I used the My Creative Time scallop bow die, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favorites. There is the little cat scrappiness bunny rabbit with that tiny little bow right there. It's so super cute, and I just added some pearl bling to finish off the bow and the bunny tail. And I just love the way it came out, and it just sits up just like that, and you know, you can put lots of little goodies in there. So super cute. So that's the first one. And here's the second milk carton that I've created. And I just need to, looks like that was coming up. I used some of that trim that I picked up from Michael's. That's on clearance right now. There's where I used the scallop circles. I used 2 different sizes and just layered it behind the bunny rabbit. And again, using this tiny bow and pearls and just a little bit of bling to finish off this box. Super cute. And I need to finish off the window. I just realized I didn't finish that one, but it's adorable. And again, just use the clip. And then here's the next one, and this one's purple, and I love this purple and green combo. And that's a Spellbinders die right here. I don't think I pulled that one, but it goes with the scalloped heart die set. And then, oh my goodness, my little bow is coming off, my little bling. I gotta add some glue to that. Sometimes that adhesive on those pearls aren't very sticky, so especially if they've been in your stash for a while. Anyway, there's that really pretty My Creative Time bow die, and this is the medium size. She has 3 sizes. There's small, medium, and large, and this is the medium, in case you were wondering. And then this is the back of this treat box, and I just think they're so adorable, so I can't wait to fill these with some goodies. All right, let's move along. I created these little pillow boxes, and this is a mini pillow box. Let me get on frame. Sorry about that. There we go. And I did use this die right here. I love it. I love the size that it creates. It's not too big, but it's just perfect. So this is the first one, and as you can see, I used that scallop stitch circles, and I just layered the larger one with the smaller one, and again using the super cute bunny rabbit. And then I just wrapped some twine around the back, and then you just open it up, and then you can put your treat inside. So I really love the way this came out, and I guess, you know, I can just open this up in case you guys want to see what it looks like. Oops, if I can actually open it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to open it. Okay, well, I won't open it because it's gonna be too complicated, but super cute. And then this is the second one that I made. This time I used that pinwheel, and that is a pinwheel die from Alina Craft Store. I used that stitched scallop lacy circle. It was a die in my stash, and created this one. And then on the back, it just opens up. You just untie it, and you can open up the back. Let's see if I can undo this one. This one might be just a little bit easier because I think I wrapped the twine too many times. So this just opens up like this, and this is what it looks like. And then you have the inside to put your treats in. So, oh, that's just the hole right there to tuck your this part in. But super, super cute, and I really just love like the size of it. It's perfect for snail mail, and you just wrap your ribbon back up and tie it, and it'll stay closed either way. But I just liked having the little ribbon up on top, and I just love the little combo. It's so cute, you guys. So loving that treat box right there. So I had fun playing with that one. All right, this one right here, I will do this little, I don't know what this is called. It's called like a curvy treat box. I really like the size of this one. So this is what it looks like. And you can just you could put a nice size goodie in there. I did use my tag die, and then that cute little bunny rabbit, which is a Little Inker Designs die, which I've shared before. And I just use that authentique paper, and I think this is super cute just the way it is. You can add your little candies or gifts in this, and it's just really cute. So there's that one, and then I also made this one. This one is just a little bit different. What I did with this one is I used the set of flower nesting dies. Let me just share with you what that looks like really quick. I shared it with you, but I just like to share again. So what I did was I took this die right here. It's the second largest die. And then what I did was I took this die right here, which is a My Creative Time die. I layered it in the center of this flower, and then I ran it through my die cut machine. And this is how I created this flower. And as you can see, the flower, it lifts up. So it's dimensional, if you can see that. You see what I'm talking about? And then that's the leaf that I shared with you, that stitched leaf. I just added the stitched leaf to the flower to create that look. And this is just a button that I added to the center of the flower. And again, using that authentique paper, it's a really pretty combo. I don't know if it screams Easter to me because of the red, or maybe it's pink. I don't know. It's pink and blue, but I don't know. I just wanted to play with it. So that's what this one looks like right here. And then here is the one that I used. This is the My Creative Time set right here. And it's completely stitched all the way around on all four sides, which is really nice. And it's one big die. You don't have to cut it out twice. The difference between this one and this one is that the My Creative Time treat box is a little bit smaller than this one right here. But again, it's super, super cute, and it's tiny and perfect for snail mail. Again, I did the same thing with the flower, which I just explained, and I just love the way that that looks. And then this is a little stitched flower or leaf die that I have in my stash, and I apologize. I think I shared it, but I'm not sure. I have too many dies, you guys. I'm so sorry. But anyway, I just love the way that it looks. I love the dimension of that die, and then you just add your own little bling. And it's just a super cute spring treat bag. So loving that. All right, let's move along. Here is my little candy treat box using that one treat box die that I shared with you that has the little hearts on the edge of it. Super, super cute. I layered it with the pinwheel. And this is puffy trim. has been in my stash for a while. I believe Scrap Passion 01 gifted me this in our swap like a couple of years ago. So hey Betty, if you're watching, I'm finally using this trim that you gifted me. But I just thought it was super cute, and it just kind of reminded me of like the bunny tails, and this is actually what I've been using for my little bunny tails on my bunny rabbit. So super cute. So like the way that one came out. And then I did make this little caddy using this die right here. And this is absolutely adorable. So what I did was I used that large Easter egg. I used this really cute bunny rabbit die, and then there's the little Easter grass. And then I layered the little butterflies. It's a little butterfly border that I just recently picked up from Alina Craft Store. There's a little puffy bunny cottontail, and I think it came out so cute. So this is the inside, and it's fun to use double-sided paper. What I did was I did layer the bottom of the crate with another layer of paper just to make it a tad more sturdy on the bottom. And then I used that fun trim from Michael's to decorate around the box. So super cute little box, and then you can wrap it up and put all your little goodies and give it to a crafty friend. Or even, you know, it could be an Easter party favor for your church or whatever you like to do for Easter. So I just love the way it looked, the way this one came out, super cute. And then what else do I have to share with you? I have these two tags that I also created using that tag set that I got from Tuesday Morning. Just recently picked that one up. Here's the first one that I made, and I just added bling to this side right here. Used a pretty scalloped circle die, and then that cute little bunny die that I've been using, and then added some trim and some bling to the trim. So adorable. And then I could also punch a hole if I wanted to, and add more ribbon to create a tag look if I wanted to. And I can also include like a gift card or another tag with a message inside of this. So I like the way that came out. And then using that same die, you see you can flip it. You can either have it this way or you can have it going that way. So either way, but this is the way this one turned out. Using that bunny die, I layered glittered paper behind the bunny, and I just did the same color for the eye. Used that cute little bow die right there. And there behind the bunny, I used that set of nested scalloped circle dies. And I used 3 of those dies to layer, and I just like the way it looks. Again, using some trim that I picked up from Walmart and some bling probably from Michael's right here and on the bottom. So super cute bunny tag. And then last but not least, this is the little eyelet box. And I had this paper, this is that Ooh La La paper, and I was going crazy making those traveler's notebooks, and I had a little bit of that paper left over, and I had turned the paper into a double-sided, so I was able to create this look with double-sided paper. You see the little girl on the inside. But this is absolutely an adorable little treat box right here. And it is kind of thick because it is double layered, so it's kind of hard to close. But I was thinking that, you know, I could always layer it with a pretty little pinwheel, and then you've got another super cute little treat box right there to give to a crafty friend. And then I did want to share with you really quickly, this is that curved die that I shared with you. This is the little treat bag that looks like this. I just wanted to quickly share with you how to put it together. It's super easy, and I figured I'd just do a quick demo if you were interested. So basically you're going to cut it out twice. And you can cut it out of different paper, and that's what I did on this one. You don't, or you could just do the same like I did for the example. But all you're gonna do is take your glue, and I wanted to share this glue with you guys because it's absolutely fabulous. I picked this up. Well, actually, this was gifted to me from Martha's Creations, and I'm gonna link her Instagram feed in the description box below. But what I like about this glue is it dries very quickly. And not only does it dry very quickly, it does not ooze out on the very top like Fabri-Tac. So for that purpose alone, I absolutely love this glue because you don't waste any of the glue. As with Fabri-Tac, it just oozes out. However, I still love Fabri-Tac glue because I like the fact that it doesn't wrinkle your paper Like you don't see any glue marks. It's nice and smooth, especially if you like to create scrapbooks or anything like that. Or if you're layering papers and you don't want it to look bumpy for that purpose. So anyway, you just assemble it. You just make sure you line it up properly. And there, I think I have it lined up good. And then actually before you glue it, you know, just take your bone folder. I have this extra long bone folder. I actually picked this off of Allie. You want to just kind of crease it a little bit to kind of curve this part so it's easy to close. So you just do each one like that. And I already did it, but I just wanted to show you for demonstration purposes how easy this is. You take these two little handles and you just hold it like that. And then this side just folds over like so. And then you take the other side and then fold it over. If I can get it, my hands. Fold it over like that. And then there you go. You have your treat box. And as you can see, I need to crease it just a little bit more. But if you use the bone folder, it will curve this part out a little bit more and it will be perfect. So this is this really cute little party favor, and I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you were wondering how to assemble it. Super easy. Check the description box below for product information. Please leave me a comment. I hope you were inspired today. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.